Talk about hiccups. Everybody experiences hiccups from time to time. Fortunately, there's a simple way to get rid of hiccups, and you can arrive at that simple technique if you understand a little bit about what gives rise to hiccups. The reason we get hiccups at all is because we experience a spasm of the phrenic nerve. The phrenic nerve, as you recall, is a nerve that emanates from the cervical region, to be specific, C3, 4, and 5. Those spinal nerves go down, of course, behind the heart and innervate the diaphragm, which is the muscle that when it contracts, it moves down and allows the lungs to fill. And then when you relax the diaphragm, then the diaphragm moves up and the lungs shrink, or they expel air, so-called exhalation. Now, the phrenic nerve also has that sensory branch, so it's not just involved in controlling the diaphragm at the motor level.